What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on this brand new Aviara AV32 maybe inside the boat. So now we're on the Aviara AV32. I'm going to start at the transom here and work our way forward throughout the boat. So all the way back here we have the Mercury V10s. These are 350 horsepower. This is the max horsepower on the AV32. Now, back here in the transom, this is a unique arrangement for Aviara. You have SeaDeck all across the transom here and throughout the boat. Makes for a comfortable feel underneath your feet. But this arrangement here in front of me, you can actually use this as a lounger, as it is right now. You can make 2 rows of seating here. Say you're pulled up at the sandbar. You have a lot of people swimming off the back of the boat. You just want to hang out back here, have some drinks, eat some food. Great place to hang out. So you can have that as a lounger, as you can see there. You can tilt the backrest up, make another seat here, lean it forward, it goes back. Now I'm going to show you the stadium seating. So there's a lever underneath here. Simply hit the lever, this will go up, makes for another row of seating. You have 3 wide across here. Also throughout this back area, you have 6 cup holders. You can also get an aft sunshade back here. This boat's equipped with both. So you have your manual sunshade off the hard top here, as well as plug-in aft sunshade. Now, moving forward, you have a spot dedicated for fenders. You have 4 here. Also, a nice touch by Aviara is that the backing on all of their hatches is finished. You won't see like raw fiberglass or anything. It's very high attention to detail on these Aviaras. Moving into the cockpit of the boat, you have your summer kitchen area over here. You're gonna get more cup holders, trash can, which is always nice. Storage underneath here, the cabinet, as well as this beautiful light gray countertop. I'll lift both these up so you can see it reveals a sink. More storage here. Storage right here. You can also option for a grill on this side. Now, another great feature about this Aviara is the head clearance you have with this hardtop. Plenty of sun coverage throughout the boat, but I'm about 6 foot myself, and I have plenty of height above my head underneath the hardtop. Also, storage underneath all the seats. So we have some of our covers down there. We got our fire extinguisher. We have the Cockpit table out here, which is great if you're relaxing or doing some pleasure boating. You can have like a cheese board or a little food display out here. Plenty of cup holders. I know I've said a lot. There's another 5 cup holders underneath here. So you have no excuse to have your drink on the deck. There's always going to be a spot for it. You can see this nice finish backing underneath the seat here with their Aviara logo. Moving forward, we have a dedicated spot for a cooler. It's a nice pull-out compartment. There's actually a second dedicated spot for a cooler underneath the seat. Very cool Aviara branded coolers. Now working our way up to the console here, we have bolstered seats. So whether you like to stand and drive like myself, you have the bolsters up. If you want to sit and drive, drop these down. You get more leg room. So this boat's equipped with joystick. We have our Mercury throttles here with active trim. These little compartments, there's actually 2 back there as well. This is a wireless charger port for your cell phone, so you just drop your cell phone down in this and it'll charge it. We also have our auto trim tabs. So now that is going to self-level the boat. I'm sure just about everyone's seen the manual trim tabs where you can just automatically do it. This you can hit the auto and hold, and it'll actually keep you level. And that doesn't matter if people are moving around the boat, it's going to auto adjust. We have our nice flush dash here with our Simrad electronics. This screen over here is also for all the controls on the boat. Now this is the head area. Simply slide the lever over. This door is going to open, and there's a very heavy duty magnet here that's going to hold this door open. You don't have to worry about the door swinging around. Now I'll get down here in the head area so you can see how much height you have. Again, I'm about 6 foot. Only have to bend over just a little bit. I could almost stand up in here. Plenty of space. You have 3 cabinet storage areas here, as well as a sink. Now this is a port side walk around, and you have this door and the glass windshield, which you can fold over and close this area off if you want to block some wind. I'm going through the cockpit area of the boat. Now that we're in the bow of the boat, there's clips off the hardtop, as well as these pole holders right here. So you have 4 up here. That's going to give you your bow sunshade. Simply plug in holes right here, clip the sunshade to the hardtop. You can get some sun coverage up here. Now with the seating arrangement, this is the filler. So you can actually remove this. You can see we have another T cockpit table here to the bow. Either have that removed and reveal the table, or if you want more of a sun pad up here, you can have this just like it is. Gives you more area to lounge here. Again, plenty of cup holders up here. We have 8 cup holders, as well as speakers. On the port side here, you have your radio control, so you don't have to go back to the helm. Another cool thing about these Aviaras is you get the cool feel technology. So this boat is equipped with the light gray coloring, but if you want to do some of their darker colors, maybe like darker brown, this actually won't get hot. Like right now, it's very cool to the touch. It's Florida. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's hot out, and this is very cool. So that's going to conclude our walkthrough video on the Aviara AV32.